NASA's rover was doing a routine drill on Mars, and then something went terribly wrong. The robot yanked an entire chunk of Mars right out of the ground, and it got stuck. Scientists had never seen this happen before. And what they found inside that rock? Nobody expected it. Welcome to the Hidden Facts, where we dig into the stories science doesn't always make headlines with. I'm talking real discoveries, real mysteries, and real questions that will change how you see the universe. Today, we're going to Mars. Not in a rocket, but through one of NASA's most incredible machines, the Curiosity rover. It's been roaming the Martian surface for over a decade. But on May 11th, 2026, something happened that shocked even the engineers back on Earth. Curiosity was drilling into a rock that scientists nicknamed Atacama. This is totally normal. The rover drills into rocks to collect samples and analyze what Mars is made of. But this time, the rock didn't cooperate. Instead of crumbling like expected, the entire chunk ripped loose from the Martian ground and stayed stuck to the drill. NASA engineers back on Earth watched in real time as Curiosity started shaking itself, trying to get rid of the rock. Think about that. A robot on Mars, shaking itself like a dog trying to dry off. It sounds almost funny, but for scientists, this was a serious moment, because an unexpected rock stuck to a drill can damage the equipment. And Curiosity is 140 million miles away. You can't exactly send a repair team. Here's where it gets really interesting. Most rocks on Mars are brittle. They break apart easily when drilled. But Atacama was different. It held together. It was dense, unusually hard, and structurally stronger than what Curiosity normally encounters. Scientists believe this type of rock could be formed by ancient water activity. Water that once flowed on Mars billions of years ago could have chemically bonded certain minerals together, creating these super hard formations. And if that's true, this rock is basically a time capsule, a frozen record of when Mars had liquid water on its surface, when Mars was, possibly, a place where life could have existed. One accidental drill, and suddenly we're staring at evidence of an ancient ocean world. Now let's zoom out for a second. Why does any of this matter to you sitting here on Earth? Because Mars isn't just a dead red planet, it's Earth's mirror. Scientists believe that roughly 3.5 billion years ago, Mars looked a lot like Earth. It had a thick atmosphere, flowing rivers, and possibly even weather patterns. Then something happened. Mars lost its magnetic field. Without that shield, solar winds slowly stripped away the atmosphere. The water evaporated. The planet died. Earth has a magnetic field. Mars doesn't anymore. And here's the terrifying part. Earth's magnetic field has been weakening for the past 200 years. Nobody is saying Earth is turning into Mars tomorrow. But studying Mars isn't just about curiosity. It's about understanding what could happen to our own planet and how much time we might have. One stubborn rock on a distant planet, and it opens up questions about ancient oceans, possible life, and the future of Earth itself. That's the thing about science. The biggest discoveries sometimes come from the smallest accidents. If this blew your mind, hit that like button and subscribe to the Hidden Facts. Every week we bring you real science stories that most people never hear about. The universe is stranger than you think, and we're just getting started.